Today we are learning group 3 of Jolly Phonics. This is letter G, 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 G. This is letter O, makes a sound O, O, O. This is letter U, making a sound up goes umbrella. This is letter L, making a sound This is letter F, making a sound. This is letter B, making a sound B, B, B. Let's do the rhymes. Let's do the rhyme for letter G, making a sound G.
The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurgle.
Then comes letter O, the rhyme is.
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh.
Then comes letter U, the sound is.
Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. When it starts to rain.
Now it's letter L. The rhyme is.
We lick our lollipops, we lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops.
Now comes the letter F. The rhyme is.
My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It caught a hole, the air came out.
This is letter B. The music starts like this.